Aloha and welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. I'm Miss Chrysa and I'm the site coordinator at Kū High and Paula Elementary School. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. And don't forget to follow us at All Stars Hawaii on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can stay connected with us. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to make mini truffles. And here are the ingredients that you're going to need. So on this side, we have our main ingredients, which is sugar, vanilla extract, graham crackers, and cream cheese. And make sure your cream cheese is softened. On this side, we have our extra ingredients if you want extra toppings, which I have chocolate, caramel, and Oreo cookies. And we're going to need things to mix it with. So I have a bowl right here, and a mixing spoon and a regular spoon. I have measuring cups to measure my stuff in, Ziplocs to crush things in, and extra bowls just in case, and a plate to plate all of it on. So for step one, we're gonna wash our hands because it's very important to wash your hands before you cook, bake, or do anything with food. So let's go wash your hands. So make sure you wash your hands for about 20 to 30 seconds, and if you don't know how long that is, sing the happy birthday song. So in this next step, we're gonna grab our Ziplocs and our graham crackers, and we're gonna put our graham crackers inside of our Ziploc, and we're gonna smash it up and make little crumbs. And when you are done mushing, it should look something like this. So now we're gonna get our bowl and our mixing spoon with our cream cheese, and we're gonna open it, and we're just gonna press it down and make sure it's soft and nice. So once your cream cheese looks like this and it's at this consistency, then we can move on to the next step. So now in the next step, we're gonna take our mushed up graham crackers, and we're gonna take our half cup, measuring cup, and we're gonna scoop half a cup of graham crackers and put it into our bowl. So now in this next step, we're gonna grab our sugar and our half cup again, but we actually need 1/4 cup. But if you don't have a 1/4 cup, it's okay. You can use a half cup and just measure it halfway. And we're gonna add that inside our bowl. So now we're gonna take our measuring cup and our sugar, and we're gonna get 1/4 cup. It's about half, and we're gonna add it in. And then we're just gonna fold that in. So this next step, we're gonna get our vanilla, and you don't have to use vanilla. If you have strawberry extract, orange, coconut, whatever you have, you can use that. But I had vanilla, so I'm gonna use vanilla. and a tablespoon. If you don't have a tablespoon, a big spoon like this equals up to 1 tablespoon, so you can use that. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon into our bowl. So now we're gonna get our vanilla and tablespoon. And we're just gonna add that in there. And if you want it to look pretty, you can add food coloring to change the color. It's all up to you. And it should look something like this. Okay, and the next step, remember this is optional. We are going to get our Ziploc and our Oreos, and we're going to put our Oreos into our Ziplocs and we're going to smash it up like how we did the graham crackers. So after you're done mushing, it should look something like this. And don't worry if it looks messy. It's because of the cream in the Oreos. So now in this next step, we're gonna get our extra bowls. And we're just gonna dump our toppings in there. So now we're going to use spoons, and we're going to take a little piece of our truffle batter and we're going to add it into our topping, and then we're just going to mix it around so there's a coating on it, and then we're going to put it onto our plate. Okay, so we're going to get a little bit like this, and we're just going to throw it in there, and then we're going to coat it. And after you coat it, you can kind of like grab it and then kind of like so it looks like a bowl. And it should look like this. Okay, now once again, you can grab a little bit of our truffle batter like that, add it into our mix, and just coat it. And you can kind of grab it and form it. So it should look something like that. So now since we got our last truffle in, we are going to make it nice and then plate it. And now for the last step, we're gonna get our caramel and our chocolate. And I have plain ones, just graham cracker. I'm going to drizzle the chocolate and the caramel on top of it. And remember guys, this is just optional. You don't have to do this. So now we're gonna take our plate of truffles and we're gonna put them into the ice box, and we're gonna let it chill for 1 hour. So now we're gonna take our truffle tray and we're gonna open the ice box and we're gonna place it in, and we're just gonna let that chill for 1 hour. So it's been 1 hour, so let's check on our truffles. As you can see, look, it's nice and firm, and it's ready to eat. So let's go over what we learned today. We learned how to make truffles from scratch, and all we need is 4 easy ingredients. And we can decorate it however we want with our toppings according to our personalities or however we want. And this is a great gift or thing to eat with your family and your friends, or even get-togethers to make for parties or whatever. It's easy and it's fun. So now let's taste our delicious truffles. Pop some good truffles. Okay, All-Stars, thanks for joining me for another episode of No Baking. So if you like making truffles, leave a comment on what you liked and what you'd like to see next. So make sure to also comment below your pictures. I want to see your finished product. So until next time.